We'll guide you through how to see old Google Maps Street View images. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Maps. So for whatever reason you want to go and change the date of it, and you want to go and look at the old images and go and see how things have changed over time. Maybe you're just interested, or there's a specific reason why you want to do this. It doesn't matter, I'll guide you through this step by step. So first of all, what you need to do is come onto Maps like so, and then what you can do is go and choose where you want to go about this. So for example, I could come to this area here. Now what we need to do is go and start the Street View as you usually would. So go to the bottom right of Maps, you can go and find the person icon, and then you can go and click, hold and drag, and you can go and drop it where you want to go and do it. For example, I could do it just here like so. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the top left, and you need to go and find the option for see more dates. So by default, it's going to go and give you the most recent one that it's got. So in this case, the most recent one is April 2009. So then what you can do is go and tap see more dates, and you can then go back in time here and see the different options. Some areas may have fewer, some are going to have more. So if you're in like a popular city, there's going to be a lot more images captured. In some cases, there are going to not be that many. So what you can do is then go and click on the date you want to do this with, and you can go and see when I go back here, that house doesn't even exist. You can go and see the older cars, and you can go and see other things as well. So let's go and say I wanted to go and change it to 2016. I can click that as well, and I can go and see how things go and change. It's really cool. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.